There we go. And as we approach the species of Catius domesticus, as he attacks his natural prey, the bird. Feather. As he grows older, he'll progress to bigger birds. And one day, possibly a pterodactyl. But at his young, tender age of 6 months, all he does is feathers. And as the feather runs away from him, he chases and attacks and pounces. All his natural instinct, until the feather is truly decimated and easy for ingestion or vacuum cleaner, either way. Ooh, and an enemy has taken the feather, but he steals it back from the shoe. And now he's stalking, but his tail is still visible. Ooh, there goes his tail. Wait for it, there he comes. And he seems confused. The fabric is holding him back. He pounds. The feather has awoken to his antics. And now we wait. Here he comes. We can't make too much noise, otherwise he'll be scared and distracted. There he goes. I mean, what a catch. And he's holding down the fabric while eating the feather. This is once in a lifetime opportunity here. And he finally has the feather in his grasp and is sucking the life out of it. I should be one of those wildlife people. Not really.
And now he is
tired.
finished.
Oh, and there he goes again.
Apparently not. Okay, and now he
Let's see what happens if his feather is taken away from him. And the feather is flying. The feather is flying. The feather is flying.
And the sushi is chasing it.
That's good. That's good.
And 3.
Wait. That's good.